The charges of my model of a proton and neutron. Suggestion that proton is two positrons and one electron. A positron is an anti-electron. The two positrons have opposite spin. Proton charges are two positive and one negative, equal one positive charge. The one positive charge of a proton exactly matches the one negative charge of an electron. Neutron is a proton plus an electron. Neutron charges are two positive and two negative, equals zero charge overall. First, I want to address two comments. One, the mass of the proton is much greater than two positrons and one electron. Yes, but three particles in my proton model are about the same mass as three quarks in the quark model. The quarks are 5% of the mass of a proton at best. In both cases, the missing mass is probably binding energy. 2. The positron and electron would annihilate each other. Yes, if it was one electron and one positron. Remember, the electron and proton in a hydrogen atom do not annihilate. Then two electrons in the same orbital have opposite spin, which cancels out their magnetic field. My model of a proton has two positrons in opposite spin, which cancel out their magnetic field. This allows them to bond with electrons buzzing around the nucleus, but it also allows the two positrons to bond with the neutron's outer electron. This bond connects protons and neutrons together in the nucleus. Here is a list of charges. This shows why helium is so stable. This also shows why the deuteron, one proton and one neutron, is so important to the stability of almost all atom nuclei. Electron equal electron, total charge minus 1. Proton equal positron, electron, positron, total charge plus 1. Neutron equal positron, electron, positron, and electron, or 1 proton plus 1 electron, total charge 0. Hydrogen atom equal proton plus electron, total charge 0. Deuterium, 1 proton, 1 neutron, 1 electron, total charge 0. Deuteron, nucleus of deuterium, 1 proton, 1 neutron, total charge plus 1. Helium, 2 protons, 2 neutrons, 2 electrons, total charge 0. Alpha particle, 2 helium nuclei equal 2 protons, 2 neutrons, total charge plus 2. Note, in beta minus decay, a neutron breaks down to a proton, an electron, and an antineutrino. Note in a deuteron how the outside ring of the proton with 2 positrons would attract the electron in a shell. It would also attract the outer electron in the neutron. Note, proton and electron don't annihilate, they connect. Now look at the nucleus. My model has a proton and a neutron with an electron on its outer side. They don't annihilate, but connect in a common, stable configuration.